Hi everybody, welcome back to One to Step. In today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can create a Facebook business page. So just to get started, go ahead and tap on the Facebook application. Now the user face will appear somewhat like this. Now go ahead and tap on the menu which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now once you are on the menu, scroll all the way down until you see pages. Once you have found it, go ahead and tap on it. Here as you can see, I have already had one page. I have already created a page here. So now we want to create another one. So what you can do is go ahead and tap on the create option. Here you can now write the page name. You can type down any name that you like. Once it's done, tap on next and now select the categories of your business type. Once it's done, go ahead and tap on create. Once it's done, you are good to go. So this is how easily you can create a Facebook page on Facebook. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.